Just throw alcohol in soap and you'll thank me. I stopped spending money to start this tip. I will grate a soap inside a bowl. Do it at your house, and then come back here to tell me what you think. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. You will be surprised. Let's transfer the soap into a pot. With a few ingredients present in everyday life, we can make an incredible product. And then add 2 cups of sugar and also 2 cups of water. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Christine Eder from the United States. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. After mixing everything, I will put 200 milliliters of alcohol inside the pan. I have no doubt that you will come back here to thank me for teaching you this amazing trick. Tell me if you've ever used soap and alcohol to help with housework. I'd love to know. I'll transfer our mixture into some containers. I never spent money on those expensive soaps sold at the markets. Instead, I make this tip with a few ingredients that I have in my house and save a lot of money. Now let's cover each of the containers. I doubt you've done a cleaning trick like this before. Even your friends will ask you to teach them how to do it. So amazing it is. Finally, we will take to the refrigerator and let our product harden, and our homemade soap is ready to use. Even I was surprised the first time I did it. Note that a single bar of soap bought in the market yields the equivalent of 4 units of our homemade soap. And this is how you will save a lot of money. I never had any trouble keeping my parts glowing, as if they were new. All we need is to apply some of our product on a damp sponge. It is not necessary much, just a little is enough. Now just perform a light brushing in the pan that you want to regain brightness. To finish, just throw a little water to remove excess soap. That tip changed the way I clean my dishes. I'm sure it will transform your life as well. I have no doubt that you will enter your routine, just as you entered mine. Look how our part was shining, and without any trace of dirt or stains. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.